Yes! Perfect! Yep. Pass the Python course and then stop. Don't forget your goal.
First day dito sa Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. Drop off namin. Yan, breakfast namin lahat. Yan.
few moments later.
Like for example, if you want to stop, the marshal want to stop, the marshal gonna show the signal, and the first people need to show to the back. So everybody in the same way, they're gonna know that what's gonna happen in the front. For example, if the marshal want to stop, what you gonna do?
Stop.
Stop.
Stop video like this. Every uniform.
This is stop.
Stop.
And if you want to accelerate from 40 to 60 or something, or we get you to 120. It depends on the circumstance. Okay. And did you introduce our start already, right? So we're gonna what we're gonna training today is we have already two station, the brake station and the turning station. Which I think is basics standard for the people who.
"15 minutes later."
Good morning mga boss. Nandito kami ngayon sa Thailand. First day. So katatapos lang ng training namin. So briefing, training, then actual. O, ito kami ngayon namimili ng kanya-kanyang units. So akin is yung Honda CB500.
Sana all.
A few moments later.
Okay, dito naman kami sa truck. Familiarizing dun sa mga napili naming motor na gagamitin para sa 5 days round trip to Thailand. So ito, CB500. So familiarization sa cornering, sa likuan, braking system. Yan, stretch para malaman natin yung power ng kanyang engine. Then, puro pa kanan kami dahil dito sa Thailand kanan right hand drive. Yan, sarap dito sa Thailand. Maganda yung atmosphere niya, mainit pero malamig yung hangin. Yan, so practice mode muna kami. Okay.
We go together. Okay. We go together na. Follow me na. Follow me na.
Okay, dito naman, tinuturo nila coach yung braking system habang nasa high speed ang isang rider. So, dapat sabay ang preno ng harap at likod para even yung pagpreno ng unit. At the same time, nasa gitna ka, nasa center of gravity ka para hindi mag fishtail ang motor natin. So, ito, susubukan ko. Ang mga gamit ka pala namin na unit ay Honda CB500 na walang ABS sa likod. So may tendency na mag-lock yung preno namin sa likod. Kaya magi-slide to ng konti. Pero kailangan diretso. Okay, nandito pala kami sa Motorsport Park, Suvarnabhumi, Thailand. Shout out Ma'am Sandy and Sir Dave Takumi. Sila yung tourist guide namin dito sa Thailand para sa 7 days travel. Kung gusto nyo magpabook sa kanila para sa Thailand travel, PM or call them sa kanilang Facebook account. Pylon, stop.
Yeah.
Full brake.